Welcome to our detailed review of GoCoin, a premier platform for crypto payments. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly gateway to accept cryptocurrency transactions, GoCoin is a standout solution. With its robust infrastructure and wide support for multiple cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, it provides merchants and users with seamless digital payment experiences. GoCoin's platform offers a straightforward setup, making it ideal for businesses that want to accept crypto without the hassle of complex integrations. Its APIs and plugins ensure compatibility with popular e-commerce systems, making it accessible even for those without advanced technical skills. Moreover, its commitment to security means that all transactions are encrypted, ensuring maximum protection for both merchants and customers. One of the most impressive features of GoCoin is its support for multiple payment options. Unlike traditional systems limited to fiat currencies, GoCoin allows payments in a variety of digital assets. This flexibility is perfect for businesses aiming to attract a global audience and customers who prefer crypto for its speed and lower transaction fees. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. GoCoin also stands out for its real-time analytics, enabling merchants to monitor transactions, track revenue, and gain valuable insights into customer behavior. This feature, combined with its transparent pricing model and fast settlement times, makes GoCoin a game-changer for crypto-based commerce. Another noteworthy feature is the platform's commitment to regulatory compliance. GoCoin ensures that its operations adhere to global financial regulations, giving users peace of mind. For merchants, this means reduced risk while expanding their payment options. If you're looking to integrate cryptocurrency into your payment system or explore the benefits of decentralized finance, GoCoin is a must-try platform. Its combination of efficiency, security, and versatility makes it a leading choice for merchants and users alike. Subscribe to this channel for more crypto platform reviews, and don't forget to hit the like button to show your support.